And we just got back from Puerto Rico and Orlando, and it is snowing. Look at that. It's our first winter storm. And it was just Thanksgiving the other day, and we were just at the ocean in the sunshine, swimming, and now we're back up north, and it's snowing, and it's ice as well. It's like raining ice. So you can hear it. It's just ice falling and snow. Ice rain and snow. It's starting to pile up. And we made it home in time for the first snowstorm. There it is. Pretty cold out here. But it's beautiful as it comes down. It's really beautiful. It's just starting to pile up. Glad I don't have to drive in it. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful white Christmas. This is how we're starting our December. It's December 1st, and this is how we're beginning. So, I'm really glad I don't have to drive in it. We made it home. It just looks so pretty when it first comes down. I'm going to close the door. I like this room because has all the windows so you could see out. It's called the sunroom. It's pretty cool.